Alright, so let's see this here. So this is big damage in the beginning. Buffing my allies.
I'll give you the curse of eternal torment.
Okay. I need to be in the middle since I don't have a seed. Whoa, why am I dying here? What the hell? I was safe. I don't understand why I was getting attacked. Alright, let's just continue here. Buffing my allies. Okay, healing everybody. So they have a healing reduction. Okay, I messed up the block here. There's a lot of healing reduction though. Okay, maybe make... Okay, everybody's healed up. Let me get some mana here. Should be fine. Okay, that's a dodge. See, there's a lot of healing reduction right now. Okay, healing everybody. That was a jump. That's a dodge. Okay, just doing damage and healing everybody.
I'll give you the curse of eternal
Okay, so let me go behind, I guess. Okay, this is fine. Okay, big damage for now. Buffing my allies. Okay, some people have healing reduction right now. That was a dodge. Jump. High focus, healing everybody. Okay. This guy has healing reduction. That's a dodge. Okay, I missed the dodge. My bad. Okay, now everybody has healing reduction right now. I mean, trying to keep this guy alive, but I don't have anything right now. Wasted all my cooldown on this guy. Okay, get out of that. High focus, dodge. I need mana here.
I'll give you the curse of
Okay, let me go behind here. Alright, this guy should be safe, I guess. Yep, there you go. Okay, so far so good. I think I got this. Okay, jump. Easy. Okay. The healing reduction is kind of annoying though. I can't debuff anything, but I got it, I guess. Alright, so let me show you my build real quick. Okay, so this is the gear that I'm using right now. This is all T1 except this one right here. It's level 9, so it's not even maxed out yet. Okay. Then this is my skills. Those are my skills right now, so with the passives. Then this is my staff specs. This is my wand. Oh, maybe I should play with that actually. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can remove the weaken, the healing debuff. So maybe I should play with this instead. Okay. This is my staff mastery right now. My staff is level mastery 103. This is my wand. And also put some artifacts right now. So this is mostly defense artifacts. So I have the full Forsaken Zealot, and then I have some of those here. Those are the only ones that I have. So that's kind of what it is. I hope this is helpful. Peace.